Hello, today we are going to talk about Stellar. A digital or virtual currency developed by the Stellar Development Foundation is referred to as Stellar cryptocurrency. On a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges, the Lumen, the organization's currency, is traded under the symbol XLM. Traders on the Stellar network, a distributed ledger network based on a blockchain that connects people, payment systems, and banks to facilitate low-cost cross-asset transfers of value, including payments, can use Lumens. Stellar is a decentralized protocol based on open-source code that enables domestic and international conversion of digital currency to fiat currency. The Lumen, a token that trades under the symbol XLM, is the cryptocurrency that is used on the Stellar blockchain. With a market cap of just over $1 billion, Stellar is one of the altcoins that has performed the best over the past 5 years. Digital or virtual currencies developed for trading on decentralized networks known as blockchains are referred to as cryptocurrencies. As a result, it was impossible to counterfeit them like regular currencies. It likewise kept them from being twofold spent. Not at all like government-issued currency, cryptographic forms of money aren't given by national banks, and that implies state-run administrations don't meddle in their exchanging action. Following the success of Bitcoin, which was created in 2009, a number of cryptocurrencies emerged, including the Lumen. The cryptocurrency of Stellar is the Lumen, as previously mentioned. With a maximum supply of 50 billion coins, there are approximately 22.5 billion coins in circulation. Originally, the Stellar Foundation had more than 100 billion lumens, but in November 2019, it burned about half of its coins. The action led to a brief rise in the price of XLM, but the rally quickly petered out. Coin burns are controversial due to their association with the kind of manipulation that decentralized systems are supposed to prevent. Even though Stellar's Lumen value decreased by more than 2/3 as of May 2020, it still ranks 11th on CoinMarketCap as one of the best-performing altcoins. As of March 25, 2021, the coin's market capitalization was approximately $8.3 billion. Every Lumen exchange has a standard mining charge of 0.00001 lumens. The Stellar Development Foundation, a not-for-profit organization established by Jed McCaleb, is in charge of running Stellar. Along with donations from companies like BlackRock, Google, and Fast Forward, the Stellar project received initial funding from the payment startup Stripe. Public donations that are tax-deductible are accepted by the organization to cover its operating expenses. Stellar entered into a partnership with TransferTo in 2018 to facilitate international payments to more than 70 nations. In addition, IBM selected it as a partner for a double-pegged stablecoin project and made it the first distributed technology ledger to obtain a Sharia-compliant certificate for asset tokenization and payments. In the areas of remittances and bank loans to people who are not eligible for banking services, Stellar's primary focus is on developing economies. The use of Stellar's network is free for individuals and organizations alike. Stellar has a mode for distributed exchange. This lets users send money in one currency even though they might have credits in another, and the network does the currency conversion for them automatically. Through a partner institution like a bank, the recipient can withdraw the equivalent amount in their currency. Stellar aims to significantly reduce transaction costs and delays as a cross-border transfer and payment system that connects financial institutions. While Stellar functions similarly to Bitcoin-like technologies, its consensus protocol is its most distinctive feature. The Stellar Consensus Protocol, which led to Stellar becoming an open-source system, is the result of a fork that occurred in 2014. Instead of being accessible to the entire network of nodes, this protocol restricts the transaction authentication process to a select group of trustworthy nodes. A transaction is considered approved once it has been authenticated by all of the network's nodes that are a part of a select group of trustworthy nodes. The Stellar network is able to process transactions more quickly and maintain lower transaction costs as a result of the shorter approval cycle. Thank you for watching. For more financial news and info, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.